Hello, my beautiful learners. Welcome back to English with Mr. Bond, a place where English is not a subject but a second home. I'm Anna, your friend, your coach, and your voice in this learning journey. Today's episode is for every learner who has ever said, "I understand English, but I cannot speak it." If that sounds like you, you're in the right place, because today, we are not talking about perfect grammar or complicated rules or sounding like a native speaker. Today, we are talking about one thing: fluency, real fluency. Not the kind you see in movies, the kind you feel inside your chest when you speak without fear. So take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let's begin together. Part 1. What fluency really means. When you imagine someone who speaks English fluently, you might picture someone with perfect grammar, a strong accent, and advanced vocabulary. But let me tell you the truth. That is not fluency. Fluency means you speak without panic. You don't freeze. You don't overthink. You don't translate every sentence. You just speak, just like you do in your first language. So your goal is not perfection. Your goal is comfort in English. Part 2. Think in English. Don't translate. The biggest reason people get stuck is because they translate inside their heads. So today, you will start thinking in English instead. Simple thoughts, simple actions. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I am brushing my teeth. I am making coffee. I am going outside. It's a nice day. I feel calm. Say these in your mind. Whisper them. Say them out loud. Every small action you do today. Describe it in English. That is how English becomes natural. Part 3. Speak every day. Even alone. You don't need a classroom. You don't need a native speaker next to you. You just need your voice. Here are 5 simple ways to practice speaking by yourself. Shadow this podcast. Record your voice. Talk to yourself. Speak in front of the mirror. Use voice memo or apps. Let's practice now. Repeat after me. I will speak English every day. My voice deserves to be heard. Even when I make mistakes, I keep going. I am becoming more confident. Say those again, slowly, and believe them this time. Part 4. Learn sentences, not just words. Many learners try to memorize lists of words, but fluency comes from sentences, real sentences. For example, can you help me with this? I'm not sure yet. Let me think about it. Could you repeat that? I'm still learning. Let's shadow together. Can I ask you something? I'm learning step by step. Please speak slowly. I'm getting better every day. These are sentences you can use in real life, and that's what makes you fluent. Part 5. Confidence is built, not found. Some learners say, I will speak when I feel confident. But confidence does not come first. Speaking comes first. Every time you speak, even when you feel scared, you become stronger. Let's say this together. I do not need to be perfect to speak. My mistakes help me grow. I am brave enough to try. Confidence is built through action. Beautiful. Part 6. Use English in your real life. English should not stay inside your notebooks. It should live inside your daily life. Here's how. Change your phone language to English. Watch movies with English subtitles. Read short English posts. Comment in English. Talk to AI in English. Join online communities. Repeat after me. English is part of my lifestyle. English is my daily tool. Fluency is happening for me. Part 7. Learn like a child. Children don't learn through pressure. They learn through curiosity. They listen. They copy. They try. They make mistakes. So be like a child again. Let's practice. I want to learn. I enjoy English. It's okay to make mistakes. I will try again. Fluency grows slowly, naturally, freely. Part 8. Breaking Emotional Blocks. Let's be honest now. What is stopping you is not English. It is fear. It is shame. It is overthinking. So let's change your inner voice. I am not bad at English. I am learning. My accent is part of me. Every try makes me stronger. And with every sentence you speak, that fear becomes smaller. Part 9. 7-Day Fluency Boost Plan. Here's your simple plan. Day 1. Listen and shadow. Day 2. Talk to yourself. Day 3. Record your voice. Day 4. Mirror speaking. Day 5. Comment online. Day 6. Learn 5 sentences. Day 7. Talk or practice conversation. Repeat this weekly and watch your fluency grow. Part 10. Final shadowing practice. Repeat after me slowly. I am still learning, but I'm improving. Sometimes I forget words, but I don't give up. Could you say that again, please? Let me think for a moment. That's a good question. Now say them again faster. You sound amazing. Part 11. Final message from Anna. My dear learner, fluency is not magic. It is mindset plus daily action plus belief. You are not just learning English. You are building confidence. You are opening new doors. You are becoming stronger. So before you go, say this with me. I speak English confidently. I speak English naturally. My voice is powerful. I am so proud of you. And before we truly close this episode, let me give you a little more power for your voice, because I know something. Even when you finish listening, your practice should not stop. Part 12. Mini real-life speaking drill. Let's do a short real-life speaking practice. Imagine you are talking to someone at work. Repeat after me. Good morning. How are you today? I'm doing well, thank you. How about you? It's a bit busy today, isn't it? Yes, but I'm trying to stay positive. I'll finish this before my break. Now faster. Good morning. How are you today? I'm doing well, thank you. How about you? It's a bit busy today, isn't it? Yes, but I'm trying to stay positive. Very good. This is real English, not just for learning, but for living. Part 13. Common questions from listeners. Let me answer a few questions many of you always ask me. Anna, what if people laugh at my English? Here is my answer. People don't laugh at effort. They respect courage. And if someone ever mocks your mistakes, it says more about them than about you. Another question. Anna, what if I feel shy speaking English in public? That's okay. Start small. Speak in your room first. Speak in front of your mirror. Speak to yourself. Then slowly, your confidence will step outside with you. Part 14. Evening English Routine. Let me give you a calming night routine in English. Before sleeping tonight, do this. Speak 3 sentences about your day. Write 3 short lines in English. Say 1 positive affirmation. For example, today was busy but productive. I tried my best. Tomorrow I will do even better. Simple. No pressure, just progress. Now close your eyes for a moment. Take a slow breath. Say this with me one last time. English is becoming my second voice. I am not afraid to speak anymore. Every word I say makes me stronger. I am proud of my progress. I am proud of my voice. And I am proud of you too. You stayed until the end. That means this matters to you. This is Anna from English with Mr. Bond. Your place for learning. Your place for growth. Your place for confidence. Until next time, keep speaking, keep growing, and never silence your voice. This is Anna from English with Mr. Bond. Until next time, keep speaking, keep believing, never stop using your voice.